Welcome to Roam Tips. Be sure to like this video and subscribe to the channel for more content like this. All the links mentioned in this review are down in the description below. This video reflects my personal experience with the service. In this video, we're taking a look at Windstream, found at www.windstream.com. Windstream offers a variety of internet services, including kinetic internet, which leverages fiber optic technology for faster speeds. Depending on your location, you might have access to DSL internet or fixed wireless options as well. It's important to check availability in your specific area, as Windstream services aren't universally available. They primarily serve rural communities across 18 states. Navigating the Windstream website, you can find information on internet plans, bundle deals that combine internet with phone and/or TV service, and details on their available business solutions. When considering Windstream, it's worth exploring the different speed tiers they offer. Their kinetic internet plans boast speeds ranging from up to 50 megabits per second to impressive gigabit speeds. The specific speeds and pricing can vary quite a bit depending on your location, so using their address checker is crucial for accurate information. Beyond just internet, Windstream also provides phone services, both landline and VoIP options, as well as television services. Keep in mind that the availability of bundled packages will depend on your area, so check those details as well. When making your decision, it's a good idea to compare Windstream with other providers in your area. Consider factors like download and upload speeds, data caps if any, pricing, and customer service reviews. Taking the time to research thoroughly can help you find the best internet solution for your specific needs and budget. For more in-depth information and to check availability in your area, be sure to visit www.windstream.com directly. Remember, all the links are in the description below.